What's up? This is John from John Brush 4 Photography, and I wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Before the end of the year, I wanted to give a couple of updates about the channel and what's going on with me currently. To start out, thank you all for the 10K subscribers. I can't believe I've reached this point, and it's really awesome to see all the support to the channel. I really hope to keep bringing value to everybody with more full day wedding videos, as well as gear videos, and maybe some other really cool stuff. I have some plans for 2020, so it should be really cool. Also, don't forget about the Holdfast gear solo strap giveaway. You can check out the video up above, and I'll have a link to sign up in the description below. Keep in mind, this giveaway is only for the US, so anyone outside of the US, I'm sorry, but you all cannot take part in the giveaway. I did a giveaway before that was outside of the US, and yeah, I got burned on that one, and it just really didn't work out. So this time, US only. But don't forget to sign up for that giveaway. I'll be doing the drawing at the end of the month, and in 2020, we'll have a winner. Again, thank you all so much for hanging out on the channel. Thank you for all the subs and all the support. You all have a happy holidays, and I'll catch you all in 2020. All right.